Hey Chic, and today I'm going to try Superhairpieces M104. It has a little bit of a lace in the front for a more natural look, and it's more breathable for the client, for sweating, and just more of an active lifestyle. You can see a little bit right here. This is a little bit of lace. It's actually called a silk mono top, but it is breathable. So, you know, we don't glue that part right there. His scalp can just breathe when he showers and everything like that. He does sweat a lot. He goes to the gym. Sometimes he goes to the sauna. And then right here is where we would glue. Right around here, and the front hairline is lace. I just want to show you that. So it's very, very natural looking. You can't really see any lines. I really, really like how the hair feels. Can you feel it on your head? Do you feel like it feels heavy or anything like that?
No, it feels great.
So it's very lightweight. We're thinking and hoping this will last a few months. So we just wanted to try a lace system. I've never done a lace system before, so this is my first time applying it as well. So far, I really am liking how the system looks. It's laying really well, and we will let you know what we think. Again, this is the M104. It has a little bit of lace up front. It has the mono silk top, which is breathable, and a little bit of poly around the perimeter here. Thanks, Superhairpieces.